Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel once again. As you can see this PC, you can see here we have these two accounts. We have Zoom and then administrator. Now what we want to do is that we want to disable this administrator. We don't want to be showing here. So in order for us to do that, it's very easy and simple. So let's boot into the Windows. So as my own is having a password, let me enter my password and go in. So as it goes in here, now to do this, let's go to our control panel and see both accounts. Search for control panel. Right, so here it is. So just open control panel, then go to account. Right, so go to user account, and then manage another account. And as you can see, we have both accounts here. We have Zoom and then administrator account. So let's disable that. Now to disable it, just go to your start and search for control panel search for command prompt, type in CMD. Right, this is CMD. So you run as administrator, just right click and then run as administrator. Right, so click on yes. So once the command prompt opens, so just type in net user administrator. Administrator space, we have backslash, and we have active, we have column, and then no. Right, so once you have this command, this is the command, just press and enter, and as you can see, it is reading the command successfully. So once that happens, just exit. Right, so as you can see, we are still having them here. In order for us to go, just go back, then manage another account. Now as you can see, the account is no more. So if you go to switch user, so that is it. So once again, let's go back to switch user. Switch user. Now, and as you can see, it's only one account which is there. So you can see here there is no other account which is available. So guys, that is just how easy and simple it is to disable an administrator account if it is showing. So if this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. See you on our next video. Peace out.